2, I'm aware there. 3, I'm aware there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can look at my hand change. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You should see a left hand completely different than a right hand. Now, take your left hand, put it on your heart.
Left?
Yeah. Or whichever one you haven't been working on.
Mm-hmm.
And now put the hand that you've been working on your heart. That's different.
Very. So I completely understand the difference.
Uh-huh.
What I want to know is how to
Practice it.
So just keep practicing.
Just
to
do
open
exactly. It's easy this way because you're not touching something. I put it here. My brain is saying she is touching an object. If I put a hand on a coffee cup, the brain says she's touching a coffee cup essentially, and not a toothbrush. And you're trying to release it from a habit. You don't walk around life like this unless you're holding it back. So this is easy if you just put your hand out like that and do Triadic Resonance. Put both of them out and do Triadic Resonance. Everybody do it right now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. I'm opening all through here. And now, get your phone and hold your phone. See what you feel. If your phone, you don't have your phone with you?
I do. I don't want to hold my phone.
Oh, well, you see, you just, now you throw your phones away and you ruin that.
Yeah. I'll get it though. You want me to get my phone?
Yeah, I want you to feel the difference. Now pick up your phone. You probably have a sense of a different relationship with the phone. It's not so, I don't know what the word is, engaging.
It's heavier.
It's heavier, right. And you would be keyboarding. And is the keyboarding different?
Totally different.
Totally different.
Yes.
Totally different.
Yes.
Now, I haven't seen you use your phone this way before.
Never.
Totally.
What you want to be good at, ultimately, is going to reach the top of the mountain is simply withhold definition.
Yeah.
In this moment, in my life, all day long, you define. But if you really want to engage deeply into what it is you're doing, thinking, perceiving, experiencing, withhold defining what you are experiencing and let yourself be told another story. If Danielle had done that, I don't know, conceivable, she would have seen his confusion and acknowledged his confusion rather than feel as though he was wrong. So hands on back of chair. And then another little kudo, another little bit of nothing that you have to do with hands on back of chair. So it's not just hands on back of chair. It's being able to place your hands on the back of the chair without grasping and move slightly forward into semi-supine with yourself opening as you do that. And literally, without doing it, thinking of just enough pressure through here, and you'll get that by Triadic Resonance, so that you're actually pulling your chair apart. Pulling the chair apart. And that's what I do when I come over here, and everybody's watching, please.